Are you looking at keeping your home sparkling clean is easier with the right tools, especially the humble yet mighty sponge. Whether you're scrubbing kitchen counters, tackling bathroom grime, or simply washing dishes, having the best sponges makes all the difference. With the rising demand for efficient, odor-resistant, and scratch-free cleaning, we've rounded up the list number. Scrub Daddy Color Sponges, scratch-free multi-purpose dish sponges. Scrub Daddy's color sponges are a household favorite for a reason. These smiling color-coded sponges are designed to stay firm in cold water for tough scrubbing and soften in warm water for lighter cleaning. Their ergonomic shape fits comfortably in your hand and is perfect for getting into tight spaces. What makes Scrub Daddy unique is its scratch-free flex texture material, safe to use on everything from non-stick pans to glass and stainless steel. Plus, they're odor-resistant and rinse clean easily. These sponges aren't just functional, they're fun and efficient, making cleaning less of a chore. Ideal for organizing your cleaning tasks with different colors, this is a go-to choice for those who want powerful scrubbing without the risk of damage. Durable, dishwasher safe. List number: Scrub Daddy Scrub Mommy Sponges, dish scrubber plus non-scratch cleaning sponges, combining the best of both worlds. The Scrub Mommy offers dual-function cleaning with a smile. One side features the same scratch-free flex texture as the original Scrub Daddy, perfect for scrubbing, while the other side is a soft, absorbent resifoam ideal for wiping and soap retention. This two-in-one design makes it exceptionally versatile for everything from dishwashing to bathroom cleaning. It's gentle enough for non-stick cookware, but tough on grime, and it doesn't hold on to odors like traditional sponges. The ergonomic design helps prevent hand fatigue, and its cheerful look adds a little joy to your chores. Scrub Mommy is particularly great for those. List number: O-Cedar Scrunge Non-Scratch Scrub Sponge, pack of 6. O-Cedar Scrunge non-scratch sponges bring professional-grade cleaning power to your home with a unique rippled surface that cuts through grime without scratching delicate surfaces. This sponge blends a highly durable scrubbing layer with a soft absorbent backing, making it ideal for multitasking in the kitchen or bathroom. What sets it apart is its odor-resistant technology. These sponges stay fresh longer than most traditional options. Whether you're cleaning pots, pans, or countertops, the Scrunge doesn't disappoint. The multi-pack of 6 ensures you're stocked up for weeks, and the quality ensures you won't need to replace them frequently. They're especially good for stainless steel, ceramic, and even glass surfaces. If you're tired of list number: Multi-Purpose Sponges Kitchen by Scrubit. Non-scratch microfiber plus heavy-duty. Scrubit's multi-purpose sponges are designed for those who need powerful scrubbing without the risk of scratches. These dual-layer sponges combine a heavy-duty scrubbing side with a soft microfiber layer, making them excellent for everything from greasy stovetops to delicate dishware. The microfiber layer traps dust and crumbs effectively, while the abrasive side tackles tougher spots without damaging your surfaces. They're also more durable than typical store-bought sponges and hold their shape after repeated use. Whether you're cleaning kitchens, bathrooms, or even outdoor gear, Scrubit sponges hold up to the challenge. Plus, they're machine washable, extending their lifespan. List number: Scotch-Brite Zero Scratch Scrub Sponge. 6-pack Scotch-Brite is a household name, and their Zero Scratch Scrub Sponges uphold the brand's reputation for quality and reliability. These sponges deliver powerful scrubbing without scratching, making them perfect for non-stick cookware, countertops, glass, and more. The textured scrub surface cuts through grease and grime, while the absorbent side wipes clean with ease. Designed for long-lasting use, they resist odors better than many budget options and rinse clean easily after each use. The pack of 6 offers great value, especially for busy households that go through sponges quickly. Known for consistency and quality, Scotch-Brite